Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2008 Kubota BX24 compact tractor loader backhoe. So this is a BX24, so it is basically Kubota's subframe style mount backhoe system with the heavier brackets going to the loader. This would be the same as like your BX2350 tractor, but it is backhoe loader combination. This has mid PTO. You can run belly mower, snow blower, any of your RCK 60-23BX, RCK 54-23BX power decks will fit under these tractors off of your 50, 60, 70 series tractors. This tractor comes complete with a full 3-point hitch setup that has probably only been used one time. Top link is included. It does have the Kubota quick change style front bucket where you only have to pull 2 pins. The center pin drops out in the quick attach setup, and Kubota does make a set of forks for this tractor. Tractor has 643 hours, was well taken care of, very nice. The backhoe is very tight. We've just done a service and the tractor is 100% ready to go to work. All the lights work. There's a couple little cracks in the seat which will show. We're going to start you here right underneath the hood. I do apologize about the wind today. I can't help it. We're just trying to get some videos in the new year, 2019. But here we are. So, powered by a Kubota D902, 3-cylinder diesel engine, starts and runs excellent. There's no abnormal noise, smoke, blow by, anything of that nature. Tractor, again, has just had a complete service. Everything is brand new with OEM Kubota filters. There is nothing needed done to this tractor other than put to use on your project. Very clean. Tractor is not busted up or anything like that. There's one small little mark here in the hood we'll show you. Right here. There's one here. There again, that's us being honest. Most people wouldn't say a thing. Kubota BX grill guard. Again, this would have what's called the LA240 quick attach front loader with quick attach front bucket in a 48-inch bucket in very nice condition. OTR, what is actually called your R4 tire setup. Tires are all going to be 65%, all are matched. There is some little dry cracks on the back tire, but there's no issue, there's no leaks, anything like that. Sheet metal wise is very nice and straight. We'll go over controls, and I will come around. You'll have high-low range, 4-wheel drive in and out, up and down for 3-point. You'll have your mower deck height adjustment if you equip it with a mower. You'll have your PTO in and out and selection of mid and rear, or just rear. Temperature gauge and fuel gauge all work. 643 hours. Does have tachometer in the dash whenever you start it. Does have cruise control. Lockout for your joystick loader control. Here's the couple little marks in the seat that I was talking about. Seat's actually still in very excellent condition. There's no oil leaks on this tractor. The backhoe itself, very nice and tight. Has a Kubota OEM 12-inch bucket, and this is called a BT601 backhoe attachment. You do have the folding ROPS. One thing I want to educate everybody on is one of these seats. So, if you have not operated one of these seats, you're going to simply unlatch here. You are going to swivel around. You're then going to pivot that direction and lock it in. If you have never done that, it will take a time or two for you to get used to doing that. And once you figure it out, there is absolutely nothing to it at all. So, this time, I'm going to fire this tractor up, we're going to run it around, we'll show you the backhoe works, we'll go over everything, and that way you can see what you're buying. from the videos, tractor starts, runs, and works, and handles very nice. Backhoe attachment is extremely tight. The machine handles very well. Four-wheel drive works the way it is supposed to. I guarantee this tractor to be 110%. There's no issues with this tractor. Very well cared for, and you can see that. We have done a complete service. I guarantee what we have done. Greased the tractor and through. We've even washed and waxed the tractor, and it does come with, that's a $450 kit for the 3-point hitch stuff that usually you don't ever get with these tractors. Complete, ready to go. If you're looking for a nice BX24 with low hour, here's something to consider. If we can help you in any way, please let us know. We'll be glad to do anything we can do to help. If you need a freight quote, just ask. We'll be glad to get you one. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. There should be over 55 photos of this tractor. Check us out on Tractor House, Machinery Trader, and on eBay, Mark Supply 88. As always, thank you very much, the customer, for viewing our site and checking out our products that we have to offer. If we can help you in any way, we can be reached at 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.